As a project management expert, I understand that choosing the right tools for your business is crucial for efficiency and success. When it comes to accounting software, one of the popular contenders is Zoho Books. A common question that arises for many business owners and project managers alike is Zoho Books an online or offline software? Let's break down the answer in a clear and straightforward manner, keeping in mind the needs of those who are learning about business software or writing for educational purposes. The core functionality, cloud-based and online. The fundamental nature of Zoho Books is that it is a cloud-based online accounting software. This means that the primary way you access and use Zoho Books is through an internet browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Think of it like accessing your email or using a social media platform. All the data, features, and processing happen on Zoho's secure servers, and you interact with the software through the internet. Key advantages of being online. Accessibility from anywhere. One of the biggest benefits of Zoho Books being online is its accessibility. As long as you have an internet connection and a compatible device, you can access your financial data and manage your accounting tasks from anywhere in the world. This is incredibly beneficial for project managers who might be working remotely, traveling, or managing teams in different locations. You can check project budgets, send invoices, and track expenses on the go. Real-time data and collaboration. Because Zoho Books operates online, the data is updated in real time. This ensures that everyone on your team who has access to the software is looking at the most current financial information. This facilitates better collaboration between project teams, finance departments, and stakeholders. For instance, a project manager can see the latest project costs reflected immediately, allowing for proactive budget management. Automatic backups and security. Zoho handles the crucial aspects of data backups and security on their servers. This significantly reduces the risk of data loss due to hardware failures or other unforeseen events. You can have peace of mind knowing that your financial data is securely stored and regularly backed up. Automatic updates and feature enhancements. As a cloud-based platform, Zoho Books receives automatic updates and new feature enhancements without requiring you to manually install anything. This ensures that you always have access to the latest tools and improvements, keeping your accounting processes efficient and up-to-date. Integration with other online services. Zoho Books seamlessly integrates with a wide range of other online business tools, including other Zoho applications, like Zoho CRM and Zoho Projects, and third-party services. This allows for a streamlined flow of data between different aspects of your business operations, improving overall efficiency. For example, you can directly import project costs from Zoho Projects into Zoho Books for accurate invoicing. The question of offline access. Given that Zoho Books is primarily an online platform, the question of offline access is important. Currently, Zoho Books does not offer a fully functional offline mode. This means that you need an active internet connection to access and use the software. While this might seem like a limitation in situations where internet connectivity is unreliable or unavailable, it's a common characteristic of most modern cloud-based software. The real-time synchronization and data integrity that online access provides are often prioritized over offline functionality. Workarounds and considerations for limited connectivity. While a direct offline mode isn't available, there are a few considerations and potential workarounds for situations with limited internet access. Mobile app capabilities. Zoho Books has mobile applications for both iOS and Android. While these apps primarily require an internet connection, they might offer some limited offline capabilities for specific tasks, such as viewing recently accessed data or drafting invoices that can be synced later when a connection is available. However, full functionality typically requires online access. Planning for connectivity. If you anticipate working in areas with unreliable internet, it's essential to plan ahead. This might involve completing critical accounting tasks when you have a stable connection or exploring alternative solutions for data capture that can be manually entered into Zoho Books later. Exporting data. Zoho Books allows you to export your financial data in various formats, like CSV or PDF. This can be useful for creating offline backups or for reviewing information when you don't have internet access. However, any changes made to the exported data will not automatically sync back to Zoho Books. Why the online model is prevalent for modern accounting software. The shift towards online, cloud-based accounting software like Zoho Books is driven by several key factors. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security infrastructure and protocols to protect user data, often exceeding the security measures that individual businesses can implement on their own. Scalability. Online platforms can easily scale to accommodate the growth of your business without requiring you to invest in expensive hardware upgrades. Collaboration. Real-time access and collaboration features are inherent advantages of online platforms, fostering better teamwork and communication. Cost-effectiveness. Cloud-based software often operates on a subscription model, which can be more cost-effective than purchasing and maintaining traditional on-premise software. 1. www.moonshotadvisory.com.au www.moonshotadvisory.com.au